Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and today's video is going to be a Poundland haul. It's very small because I've split the stuff into two hauls. Actually, there will be a Poundland one today. Before we get into the actual products and me showing you what I actually got out of Poundland, I just want to say through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video or you like the products that I do show you in this mini Poundland haul, then please give it a thumbs up, because it shows me that you do like the video and you do like the product and you do like the content that's coming out. So please give it a good thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, then hello, please come and subscribe to tazwells12. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button, and that will subscribe you to the channel, and you can also join the little love family that's going on here. That'd be great. You are more than welcome to join. Please check out my other social medias on my main platform, which is for a clickable button, which is for Instagram and Twitter. Please check them out, follow, like, comment, whatever you would like to do, that would be great. Also, there is going to be a new one on there too. I'm just going to add it on there at some point. There is a house account. There is a tazwells12 home account, so if you want to check that out, please click on that button as well. Or also, if you want to know, then I can put it down below. The video is not sponsored by Poundland or any of the brands that I do show you. It's just out of my own money, what I thought I'd like in Poundland. I brought it, come on here to show you guys an advice video, and that is all it is. It's not sponsored in any way by Poundland. I wish I was. Any ado, that is what is going to be in the video. Nitty gritty stuff has been done. Hope that you enjoy the video, and now we'll get on into the Poundland haul. Oh yeah, comment down below as well, please. Nice and easy one. This is what I got. I've never heard anyone or anything rave about these, and I saw them and I thought, you know what, I normally go for the oval one, but these are like a square sort of shaped, which are pretty much the same. I either go for oval or I can go for the square shape. But yeah, that was quite good. These were £1. The last place I tried them was, I think, was Wilko's. Wasn't too impressed with them. They were quite cheap, but I've got them and I've used them up because I never waste anything like this, but I just didn't like them. So I thought, these look pretty good, I'll try them, and they're in a different sort of shape, the square shape. And these are in the baby range actually. They are from like the Poundland's like own range. Oh so soft cotton wool pads. There's 100 pads in there, which is quite good. Yeah, they're in the baby range, which has got this little dummy, and I don't know if they've got a pattern on them. They haven't. They're just saying they have a giraffe pattern on, but they don't. But yeah, I thought, why not? I go through pretty much a lot of these with my facial cleaning and my skincare at the moment. These are really good, and I just grabbed them for £1. And no guys, I am not having a baby. This is also from my friend, and I thought these were really cute. Look in the baby section to see if there's some really nice bits. My friend really has a toddler, so I thought that she's actually going to have a new baby, so this is actually quite good. So they're a 4-pack in the tub squirty bath toy. So literally you get a little puffer fish, a turtle, a little octopus with a little cute face, and then a shark. He's not very scary, to be honest. And 4 little squishy things to play in the bath I thought was really cute for £1. And I think they did another version, but I preferred this one just to the other. I saw this a couple of times in Poundland, and I thought, oh, we do actually need one. Like, I'm not being funny, we've got loads of utensils, like literally a whole drawer of them. It's unbelievable. We probably didn't need this, but I thought this would be quite good if you wanted to just turn over some meat, or you wanted to get some pasta out. It looks a little bit more simple when I've seen people use it, and I found it the grey, which is even better. I don't know how like sturdy it's going to be, how good it is, but this is from the NIFTYKITCHENSTUFF, the kitchen tongs, and I've bought a lot of the stuff from the NIFTYKITCHENSTUFF, and it's worked absolutely well and just kept up with it. I don't want to pay like over the odd for bits like this at the end of the day, but I want something to work and be sturdy. But that's what it pretty much looks like. it's not too big either, so it's quite nice. And then you've got this nice grey bit, so you've got the silicone bit each side to give you that grip. You obviously can like hook it onto the side that has them hooks. It's just plastic on the bottom, but yeah, thought I'd give that a go, and we'll see how we get on with that utensil now. And the last item, I've been really like into baking and everything, and cakes and everything. I want to find an actual piping bag, but when I saw this I thought, why not try this just for £1? Like, it doesn't matter if it actually breaks or goes wrong or anything, and if it works it's even better. So I thought I would pick up, and I thought this was really, really clever as well. So it was in a grey version. I think there's some other colours of this. I think it was a pink, because there was loads of pinks at the front. I was like, I don't want a pink. I'm not into pink. I'm not a pink girl. Then I saw the grey, so I was pretty happy with this. So this is from the Nifty Kitchen. Oh, this is not the Nifty Kitchen. This is the Lovely Baking Stuff. So the baking and the kitchen stuff are two different things, which I understand, but they're pretty much kitchen stuff. And this is 9 tips, and this is an icing set. So if I bring that forward, so you get all these different sort of styles to do cakes. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go for this, and then obviously get the one on it. I'm definitely gonna try this. I think that'd be really, really good. And plus the fact is, I love doing like little cakes, and I've been loving like trying to make like drip cakes at the moment, if I can ever make them. I've tried to make one's not too bad. You will see that on my home account. I'd go for it and try it, and it looks quite good. And like I said, there's pound, like you've got all these different like star, like different designs. I don't know what the designs are going to come out with, because they should have really done like a picture on the back of what the designs are going to come out with, like, because you just don't know. So it might be just trial and error, if that makes sense. But like I said, it was only £1. If it breaks, it goes wrong, I can always go and get another one if it's really, really good. That is everything from the Poundland haul, the mini Poundland haul. There were some really, really good bits in there, and I wanted to show you guys because I know that I end up buying more. So basically what I've done in Poundland is that there is beauty bits that I actually put into a separate haul, and there is normal bits that I will put in a Poundland haul. Obviously, if I haven't got enough beauty bits and I've got more normal bits, I would just put it into one Poundland haul, if that makes sense. I'll try and give as many videos to you guys as I possibly can, and that's what I've done with these. So yeah, even though there was a few items, I thought it was worth just like saying to you guys, because you might be wanting to look for that icing bag, or you might want to try the wall pads, or you might want to try something else that I've said in these videos. And it's always good to show you and to actually explain what I use them for, what I could use them for, or what I'm looking to use them for. There's just a lot of range in there. I'd rather show you the tiniest little haul than nothing at all, if that makes sense, because if one of them items absolutely work, you comment to me about it and then you buy it, then that makes me happy at the end of the day, because I give the right advice to you guys. Fortunately, it was a small haul, but it's better than nothing, I think, at the end of the day. But if you did like the little haul, then please give it a massive thumbs up, like I said at the beginning of the video. Come and subscribe if you're new to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and joining the Love family. Check out my other social medias. The video is not sponsored. Comment down below. I hope that you've had a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.